Each of these three high-protein, healthy desserts have more protein than a chicken breast and are lower calorie than anything you'd buy from a bakery. So let me show you how to make them. Let's start off with high-protein brownies. Super simple to make using your microwave. First thing you need is 100 grams of cottage cheese and just blend that up. And it can also be just a cup of cottage cheese. This is just so you can remove the lumps. Didn't really work, but it is better to blend it either way. Half a banana smashed, mix that all in. Then a tablespoon of honey, a egg. Again, mix all the wet ingredients up. Then a tablespoon of cocoa powder, uh, one scoop of protein powder, and then a pinch of salt. Trust me, the salt adds so much flavor. Do not forget this. And simply mix that all up. Put that into the microwave for 30 to 1 minute increments, high speed. And then just once you take it out, give it a mix. Check the consistency. If it's still a bit wet, depending on how wet you want it to be or how dry, you just keep blending it until it's done, just like that. 473 calories and 50 grams of protein for these three. Divide the macros by 3 if you're just going to have one slice. But anyways, here is the taste test. A bit dry, but considering how healthy it is, absolutely delicious. I'll choose this over any bakery brownie. Anyways, let's make the high protein cookie dough bites. Half a cup rolled oats, blend that into oat flour, quarter cup cottage cheese, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. This is the one I use, Munch Protein Plus peanut butter with 5 super seeds. And then a scoop of vanilla protein powder, tablespoon of honey, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, salt, because again, salt adds the flavor. Now, as you see here, the consistency doesn't look like it's going to get thick, but it does. And here's what you want. You want to be able to grab it with your hands without it sticking onto your fingertips. When that is ready, add a tablespoon of chocolate chips. Mix that all up and then add that into your bowl. You should make about 10. I made 11, but 10 is the go. Put that into the fridge for an hour, and after that, it should be set to eat just like that. Again, here's one serving, 73 calories and 5 grams of protein. This one is my favorite out of the three. It is the easiest to make and the best tasting one. Here it is me trying not to laugh because my whole family is looking in the background, but so delicious. Anyways, let's move on to recipe number 3, high protein banana berry muffins. First thing is preheat oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Now, I'm actually putting the canola oil spray in the wrong area. I needed to put it in between the cupcake holders. Anyways, add in 2 ripe bananas. Make sure they are nice and ripe. 3 eggs, a third cup Greek yogurt. I use low fat, but high fat is better. 1/4 cup honey, teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then just blend that all up. Look how satisfying that is. Anyways, get your container, put in the dry ingredients, 4 scoops vanilla protein powder, and then a teaspoon of baking powder. Add in your liquid, and then we already know what's going to happen next. Just mix that all up, just like that. Now I'm adding in another cup of flour because the consistency wasn't thick enough. You may decide to add more protein powder or you just add that. Anyways, at the very end, don't throw your blueberries, but slowly mix them in very slowly. You don't want to lose the blueberry burst that you have when you bite into the muffin. So that's why don't throw it, to make sure you mix it in very carefully. Anyways, put that into your oven. Now, what you want to do is put it on 200 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes and then 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes, just like that. And as you see, there will be a nice dome created from the 200 degrees to the 180 degrees, just like that. Look how delicious this looks. 172 calories and 13 grams of protein for one. Pretty good. And now here's what happened when I took off the thing because it didn't add enough oil. Either way, it still tastes fantastic. And look at that blueberry juice. Oh my days. Anyway, so those are the 3 recipes complete. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. If you have, hit that subscribe button for the support. Any other video suggestions that you guys would maybe want to see, comment down below. But anyways, I'll see you all next time. Ciao.